everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can go ahead and check the cancelled production process in your subcontract. So first of all, you need to click on browse module and then you need to go in production module. Now, once you will come in production, in the production control center, you need to click on subcontract. So these are the list of all of the subcontracts along with the stages. So how you can go ahead, suppose any production got cancelled in the subcontract. So how you can check it from here? So you need to click on filters. After that, you need to go in status. Once you will go in status, then after you need to select the cancel option. So once you will select the cancel, it will show you all the PIDs processes which are cancelled in this subcontract. As currently in my profile, there are no cancelled production processes in the subcontract. So the data is null. In your profile, if there will be any cancelled PID, it will be get displayed. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the cancelled production processes in subcontract. Have a good day ahead.